Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a free website for vlog on Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. Then you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on set up without chat. Once you have tapped on setup without chat, you're going to simply tap on the search bar and you're going to type in vlog, and you can see there are numerous options. You can select travel vlog, gaming vlogger, foodie vlogger, any one of these sub niches that would suit you. Or I'll just tap on vlog right here. Then tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now once on your dashboard, you can name your website, and I'll also be showing you how to quickly edit and customize your website. So for example, you could put in your website name right here. So I'll be calling mine test. Then we'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can choose your site goals, whether it be a case that you would like to sell products online, offer services, or you simply like to share knowledge or build a community. You can display or select any one of these options. So for example, let's say I'll select sell products, share knowledge, and also display creative work and promote myself. Then we'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can see some suggested apps. So with the online store app, you'll be able to sell both physical and digital products. With Instagram feed app, you'll be able to display stuff from your Instagram straight onto your website. And with the video app, which we definitely need, you'll be able to share, stream, and sell your videos. By scrolling down, if you like to also add a blog, you could do that by tapping on blog. And you can also add music if you like to sell, stream, or share music. Once you're finished, you'll tap on continue, then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option. From here, you're going to tap on video library. After selecting video library, you can now upload videos. So you could tap on upload video and you could choose to upload videos either from your computer or Google Drive, or you can simply paste in your YouTube video link or playlist right here, and you can also add in your Vimeo link if you have that also. So once you have added your videos, you can decide whether you like to sell them or not. So for example, let's me upload a video. Let me upload a video real quick. Let's say this video right here. So I'll tap on open. Once it loads up, you can see right there it is saying free at the moment. But if you would like to sell your videos, you could tap on the pencil icon. Then you could edit the title. You can also put in the publisher's name and you can put them in categories. And this is where you'll be able to put your thumbnail image. And by scrolling down, we could tap on paid, and then you could set your price. You can also select whether you'd like it to be able to download or not. So you can select no downloads or download right there. And by scrolling down, you can also show a trailer if you want by toggling this on. Once you're finished setting it up, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. You can also select live stream from the left hand menu option, and from here you could schedule an event, or you can choose to go live right now, whether on your mobile or desktop. Now after setting that up, if it is a case that you would like to blog also, you can tap on blog from the left hand menu option, tap on create new post, and you could create your first blog article. Now once you have done that, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner, then tap on design site. After selecting design site, you're going to tap on pick a template. From here you can see numerous templates that you can choose from, or you could tap on the search bar if you don't see anything that you like and select one of these. So I'll type in vlog, and I'm going to be selecting, for example's sake, this template. So we'll tap on edit. Once here, you're going to close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and after doing that, you can start editing your website. So for example, we could tap on the name in the top left hand corner and tap on change text. Then from there, I could type in my name, for example. So I'll type in my name right here. Just like that. That's how you're able to quickly edit your Wix website. By scrolling down, you can also select a different section. So for example, the image, we could tap on the current image. Then we could tap on quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you could change the background or you could change the video that is currently there. So from here, you could select one of your videos and use it instead of the person's video that is currently there. So it's as easy as that to edit. And by scrolling down, you can also edit the text section right here by selecting the text. And scrolling down, you can quickly edit each section. By going over to the top left hand corner and tapping on home, you can view all the pages that are on your website. So we could tap on about and you could quickly edit the about page. So you could tap on the text section. Then from there, you can tap on the quick edit option in the top right hand corner and you'll be able to edit the text. You can also change the image if you want by tapping on change. After doing that, you could tap on upload media in the top left hand corner and you could upload your own image, or you could select media from Wix, and from there you could select a random image, or you could type in on the search bar the type of image that you're searching for. So let's say for example this image right here, and just like that you can change the images. If it is a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see, so for example let's say a text or a video or so on, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on add elements, and from here you'll get access to numerous elements that you can quickly tap on or drag and place wherever you want on your website. Once it is up and running and to your liking, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Then you could tap on publish for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.